He hatched just a couple of days ago. A wrong step could be fatal. She's reliant on a partner to bring back food. But he's arrived empty-handed. Vic is still waiting for his first meal. Mum and Chick are struggling. Her body provides some shade, but she has another strategy. It offers cooling shelter from the sun. But there's a greater threat. His feathers aren't waterproof. The temperature has dropped by 10 degrees. Eventually the rain passes. Thanks to her, he's made it. At last. Fresh meat. Chick will rely on his parents for another 18 months. This is now the scene round her nest.